Hey guys, another day, another reselling Q&A. Today's Monday. Today's just been a bad day. I'm ready for it to be over. Just hasn't been a good day. 2 of my kids are sick and yeah, it's just not fun. It's not COVID, by the way. Yeah, and I was supposed to get a bunch of mail today and it didn't come. Like it's a fucking weird day, strange day, and I just want it to be over. Okay, first question. Hey girl, love your videos. I watch your videos every time you upload one. Thank you, Christina. I have a question for you. I recently sold a pair of boots to this lady and she opened a case against me because she said the left boot didn't fit her but the right boot did. I've never heard of this happening. Have you? She said everything else was great, being that the boots were new in the box, the correct size, like it stated in the description, fast shipping, and great communication, which is great. However, Poshmark asked for photos proving that one boot didn't fit and she posted a picture of the boots in the box which doesn't show that they don't fit her. Her picture didn't prove shit and they gave her a refund. For fit? What the fuck? Maybe I'm wrong, but I don't think Poshmark should have given the refund, being that it was for fit. Has this ever happened to you? Thanks. So something similar has happened to my husband before. He actually sent a pair of shoes and they were like 2 different sizes and he bought them that way. Like I think one, like the left shoe or something was like a half size bigger. So that's kind of happened to him, but no, your situation has not happened to me before. That's kind of crazy. Were they the right size? Were they both the same size? Have you gotten it back yet? I'd be curious to check. But yeah, that's weird that Poshmark accepted the return. I would definitely try reaching out to Poshmark and be like, hey, you broke your own rule. Like what's going on? Was that the only thing that she complained about? I think, yeah, she said everything else was great. I was thinking maybe if there was something else that she complained about, then they would return it or like accept the return for that other reason. But yeah, I would try reaching out to Poshmark and being like, what the fuck? Like, why did you accept this return? And then wait till you get the boots back and see maybe they were 2 different sizes. But yeah, definitely reach out to Poshmark and be like, why did you do that? Because you went against your own like policy rules. Next question. Hi there. I love your videos. Thank you. I wonder if you know this. So a buyer opened a case on a pair of Alice and Olivia pants saying that they're counterfeit. They are not. And I found another seller on Poshmark selling the same pair as well. But what happens if Posh sides with the buyer? Will they shut down my account because I've been accused of selling fakes? Has this ever happened to you? This has never happened to me and I'm freaking out. I already reached out to them, letting them know that I'll contact Alice and Olivia's customer service on Monday since they're closed on the weekend to ask them if they can authenticate the pants for me. Thank you. I don't know what else I can do about this situation. Okay, so first off, I wouldn't be nervous about Poshmark shutting down your account. I think you have to sell like multiple fakes in order for that to happen. So I wouldn't worry about that. As far as proving that they are legit, I mean, Alice and Olivia, you gotta prove that. Did they even make dupes of Alice and Olivia? Yeah, I mean, you reached out to Alice and Olivia's customer service. Maybe they can help you. Were they thrifted? I'm assuming they were, because I think you would have said like if you had purchased them. I'm curious to know like the price point of the pants, because I don't know if Poshmark would go through the hassle of trying to authenticate something that, you know, wasn't, I mean, they have their $500 authenticate limit thing for a reason, I guess. So I don't know. I'm very curious to see how this happens. When did you send this? You sent this, I think, yesterday when I'm filming this. So yeah, if this video is up and there's been like a resolution, comment down below and let me know what happens because I'm very curious. Good luck to you. I got my fingers crossed that everything works out. Next question. Hi Vanessa, love your videos so much. Thank you. My question is, what is a Poshmark rewards program? I got an email asking me to join it. I actually got that email the other day. I wonder if I still have it. Hold please. Okay, yes. So I got this email. It's pretty misleading. The subject of the email says, join our rewards program, earn cash today. I got this email. I'm like, what? This is a new, what is this? No. The body of the email says, have you heard of rewards program? Oh, wait. I didn't even read it. It says our rewards program is available to the entire Poshmark community. You'll get access to fun campaigns, exclusive opportunities, and more. Earn cash to shop on the app when you complete each campaign. Ready to join? Go to My Seller Tools and My Campaigns. Previously, the campaigns were only available to Poshmark ambassadors, but now it's available to everyone. I mean, I'm not too excited about it because the campaigns kind of suck. I mean, honestly, just being real, a few years ago, they were awesome. You could do like YouTube videos and you got paid according to your follower count. You also got paid in like real money. Now they just give you Posh credits. And I think for everything, it's like a $5 Posh credit. So Yeah, let's see what they have right now for campaigns. Let's see, let's do open status, open campaigns. Okay, so they have 12 days of listing, graphic cards, yeah, $5 Posh credit. List a graphic card. They're trying to push the electronics category like a lot. Oh my gosh, my battery, I only got 4 minutes left. Yeah, they're trying to push the electronics category, so they're offering like perks, but like a $5 credit. Whoa. And it's not like you can do these like multiple times, and I don't think you can do 2 campaigns at once. So it's not like you can do like all these campaigns and then the $5 adds up. That would be better. But yeah, that's not the case. I don't even bother with campaigns anymore because they're just a waste of time. I'm not gonna go out of my way to create this post for a $5 credit. That's just kind of a joke to me. So that's what that is. The rewards program is, I guess it's just open to everyone now. I don't know if they changed it. Like, I don't know. I think calling it like a rewards program is more like enticing, I guess. Next question. I got my first bad rating and it's really bothering me. I want to reach out to the person to see what the matter was. She gave me 3 stars and the comment was other. Do you ever reach out to anyone that gives you a bad rating? I know you said not to worry about them, but this one is really bugging me, especially since I don't know what the matter was. So yeah, I mean, I don't think I'd reach out to them, especially since they didn't take the time to explain what the matter was. It couldn't have been too crazy, because when you choose other, you have the option like in the text box below to like describe what the issue was, and they didn't take the time to do that. So I don't know. I feel like if it was really something crazy and something that they were pissed off about, wouldn't they be like, oh my gosh, this, I know it's frustrating when you get like, you get all these 5 stars and then someone rates you like a 2-star, but just know like 5 stars, that's perfection, and no one's perfect. Like no person, no company gets all 5 stars. You can't please everyone. So yeah, I wouldn't waste my time reaching out to them. Okay, next question. Vanessa, you might have answered this before, but I'm fairly new here. Why do you only sell clothing and shoes? I just don't want to deal with hard goods. Like I know, I'm limiting myself, selling only clothing and shoes and accessories. But yeah, I don't know. I feel like if I were to go to a thrift store and like look at everything, it would be super overwhelming. To have to go look through like literally everything. I mean, I could narrow down like the hard goods or whatever and just do like electronics or friggin' books or, something like that. But I don't know. I just like clothing and shoes. It's what I know. And yeah, it's easier to store as opposed to like I don't know, anything else that has like different shapes and sizes, and you gotta worry about different shapes and sizes for boxes and weights and I just don't want to deal with it. Last question. Do you block people who consistently send low ball offers? No, I don't. I only block people that are annoying. Like if you're gonna spam me or if you're gonna be an asshole to me. Oh my gosh, I got one comment. Hold on. Let's just call this person out because this person was a feckin' loser. So this loser, commented on my Meet the Posher page on Poshmark, and they said, what are you, like 12, making a big time entrance through that awesome gold Dollar Tree curtain? They were referring to a picture that I have on there from one of my Posh and Sips where I had like a little background. It was like a gold, no, was it even gold? It was like silver and gold. I think it was silver. It wasn't even gold. Bitch, get glasses. Yeah, it was definitely silver, and it was just like a background that people could stand in front of and take pictures that said Poshmark at the top. And then she said, were there just 2 or just 1? Asking for a friend. I'm sure no one needs to see what they're buying. Like, what the fuck? What are you even talking about? Everyone needs to know that you're a colossal B. Is it okay to not include the other letters? Should I say that 4 more times so you can respond to the first 2 times? I absolutely did not ask anything 4 times. That word's the most hated word in the English language, so there's that. Like, who the fuck are you and what the fuck are you talking about? So yeah, I'll block people like that. Oh, I just threw my phone. I'll block people like that that are annoying, that just leave like ridiculous comments, or if they like spam themselves on my closet. But I don't block people that lowball because and I've said this so many times, and I know some people hate it. People get like so offended by lowball offers, but it's like they're just trying to get a deal. They're not like attacking you personally. They just want to get a deal. Like, it boggles my mind that people take offense to that. You worked hard to source that item and photograph it and list it, but the buyer doesn't care about that. Like, do you care about the worker at friggin' like Target that folded the shirt that you're about to buy? Like, no, it's not that deep. It's not that personal. People just want to get a deal. And when you stop taking offense to lowball offers, life is great. It really is. So yeah, I don't block people that lowball. I just counter back. If somebody just consistently lowballs, I'll just keep consistently countering back. I'll play the game. I don't block people because of that. I used to totally get offended at lowball offers. I'd be like, what the fuck? Like, this person's an asshole, but they're not. They just want to get a deal. Like, they're not attacking me. Like, they just want to get that hoodie for as cheap as they can get that hoodie. It has nothing to do with me. Like, nothing at all. All right, so that is it for this video. I hope I answered your questions. If you have any other questions, you can comment down below. Send me a DM on Instagram or tweet me on Twitter. If you're new to Poshmark and you want to sign up, you can use my code. It is KeepinItRad. You get a $10 credit, and I also get a $10 credit, so thank you. That's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys in my next video.